Come on in 3, 4, grab a seat. Okay, it's Monday afternoon, which means we're focusing on our new personal development unit. So that is going to be challenges. So to kick us off with our new unit, we're going to have a go at sharing a challenge that we've overcome recently. So my challenge was learning how to reverse a trailer, which I only managed to do last weekend, and I'm very proud that I did it. It wasn't easy, but I did manage to achieve that challenge. So does anybody have a challenge they would like to share with the class? Frankie. Excellent, Frankie. All right, so shooting a goal in netball. Well done. Jake, okay. You've learnt to eat your vegetables. Well done, Jake. Okay. Josh. Good job. So you've finally learnt how to dive into the pool. Good one. And one more. Sam. All right, Sam. No, that's a great challenge. So you've learnt how to split a log for the fire. Good one. I hope you're doing it safely though. Okay. So there's only 4 challenges, or 5 if you include mine. And I'm sure every one of you who shared that challenge had a different strategy that you used to help you overcome it. All right, so we're going to have a look at a couple of video clips, and within those video clips is a strategy that I think is useful when you are faced with a challenge. So I'd like you to watch, listen, and then we'll have a chat about them. Okay, so that's the first one, and then we'll quickly put the second one on. Okay, what was the first movie? Good job, team. It was The Lion King. And what were they saying in that clip? Hakuna Matata, which means no worries. So I can tell you all right now that when I didn't park the trailer for the first time, I didn't get angry. I actually said to myself, no worries. It's okay. I can try again. So I thought that was a really good little fun clip to teach you about one strategy. Now, what was the second one? What was Finding Nemo? And what was Dory saying to Marlin? Yeah, just keep swimming. Now, we're not fish, so I can't tell you to keep swimming, but what could we change it to? We could, Sabrina, we can change it to just keep going. All right, because when we're faced with a challenge, if we just keep going, I'm sure, Frankie, you just keep trying to shoot those goals and you eventually got one in. So, there's 2 strategies. We will have a look at some more, but to start off with, I'd like you to apply those 2 strategies to the little rope challenge you've got. In a moment, I'll put a rope with lots of knots on it on your desk, and your challenge is to have a go at untying those knots. You've got 10 minutes. Now, it's not a race. What I'd like you to do is have a think about the whole time how you're getting the knots out, what strategies you're using. How are you feeling? Are you getting angry? Is it easy? Are you getting frustrated? Are you getting to the point where you don't want to try anymore? Because after 10 minutes, you're going to write a short reflection on what it felt like to get all the knots out. And then we're going to come back together as a class, see if we can come up with some strategies that everybody used, and put together a list of challenge strategies that we can start to explore and trial over the next 4 weeks. Because my intention is that by the end of the next 4 weeks, if you're not feeling so confident now about overcoming a challenge, you'll have a few strategies in the back of your mind that you can use in future. All right, so once you get your knotted rope, you can start trying to untie all those different knots. Good luck.